Good morning, friends. Today we are going to start with exercise 1.4. Solve the following simultaneous equations. The first one, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y equals to 15. And the next one is 8 upon x plus 5 upon y equals to 77. Now these equations we are going to convert into linear equation. So here this becomes 2 into 1 upon x is 2 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon y equals to 15. This is going to be the first. And the next one becomes 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y equals to 77 is the second one. Now this is how the same equation we have written it, the coefficient with the variable, the coefficient with the variable. Similarly, the second one. Now this we are going to convert into a linear one. So let 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. Now here, so this becomes 2a minus 3b equals to 15. Let's name it 3, the third equation. And the next one becomes 8a plus 5b equals to 77 will be the fourth. Now the next part is going to be equalizing the coefficients. So to equalize, either we can equalize the coefficients of a or we can equalize the coefficients of b. And here we have got minus plus, so we'll equalize the coefficients of b. So to equalize 3 5 is 15, so we multiply the third one by 5 and the fourth one by 3. So this becomes 5 2s are 10a minus 3 5s are 15b equals to 75. And the next one becomes 8 3s are 24a plus 3 5s are 15b equals to 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21, 22, 23. So that is 231. So just we can number it as fifth and the sixth. Now adding equation 5 and 6. Adding equations 5 and 6. So here minus 15 plus 15, minus 15b plus 15b, this gets cancelled. Now 10 plus 24, that is 34a equals to 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 plus 3 is 10. So this comes out to be 306. So the value of a will be 306 upon 34. Now here we have to multiply 34, we have to cancel these numbers. So first we'll cancel it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. Now here 17 1s are and 17 9s are. So here the value of a is going to be 9. So we got the value of a. Now we'll substitute the value of a in say equation third because this appears to be simpler. So we'll substitute a equals to 9 in equation third. The third one is 2a minus 3b equals to 15. So this comes out to be 2 into 9 minus 3b equals to 15. 2 9s is 18 minus 3b equals to 15. So we get minus 3b equals to 15 minus 18. So minus 3b equals to plus minus minus 18 minus 15, 3 3, bigger number sign, again minus. So we get B will be minus 3 upon minus 3, minus minus cancels, 3 ones are, 3 ones are, so the value of B is 1. We got the value of A, we also got the value of B, now we'll resubstitute, because actually here A is 1 upon X and B is 1 upon Y, so we'll resubstitute. So we write resubstitute A equals to 1 upon X and B equals to 1 upon Y. So we get 1 upon X equals to 9 and 1 upon Y equals to 1. So the value of X is 1 upon 9 and the value of Y is 1. So the solution of this equation is 1 upon 9 and 1. Start with the second equation. 10 upon X plus Y plus 2 upon X minus Y equals to 4. 15 upon X plus Y minus 5 upon X minus Y equals to minus 2. Now, to convert it into linear equation, we'll have to separate the coefficients with the variable. So this becomes 10 into 1 upon X plus Y plus 2 into 1 upon X minus Y equals to 4. This will be the first, and the second becomes 15 into 1 upon X plus Y minus 5 into 1 upon X minus Y equals to minus 2 will be the second. Now we have to equalize the coefficients of here, before we equalize, we'll convert these ones into linear. So let 1 upon X plus Y equals to A and 1 upon X minus Y equals to B. So the first equation becomes 10A plus 2B equals to 4 and 15A minus 5B equals to minus 2. This will be the fourth. Now to equalize the coefficients, we'll equalize the coefficients of B. Even for A you can do it. So if we have to equalize the coefficients of A, we have to get the LCM of 10 and 15. That comes out to be 30. And here already the signs are opposite. So it's better if we equalize the coefficients of B and add. So to equalize the coefficients of B, we multiply the third equation by 5 and the fourth one by 2. So we get 10 5s are 50A plus 5 2s are 10B equals to 4 5s are 20. So this becomes the fifth equation. And the sixth one will be 15 2s are 30A minus 5 2s are 10B equals to minus 2 2s are 4. This will be the sixth. Now here the coefficients of B are same with opposite signs. So we adding equations 5 and 6. So plus 10B minus 10B cancels. 50 plus 30, that is 80A equals to 20 minus 4 is 16. So A will be 16 upon 80. 16 ones are, 16 fives are. Now here the value of A is 1 upon 5. We'll substitute the value of A, that is 1 upon 5, in equation. Now which of these is the simplest? We'll take the third one. So in equation third, that is 10A plus 2B equals to 4. So we get 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2B equals to 4. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, so we get 2 plus 2B equals to 4. 2B will be 4 plus 2 when it goes on the other side, it's going to be minus 2. So we get 2B equals to 2. B will be 2 upon 2. 2b means 2 multiplied by b. So when this 2 comes on the other side, it will be divided by. So 2 ones are, 2 ones are, so the value of b is 1. We got the value of a, we got the value of b, but this is not the solution. We'll have to resubstitute because we are taking 1 upon x plus y as a and 1 upon x minus y as b. So resubstitute a equals to 1 upon x plus y and b equals to 1 upon x minus y. So we get 1 upon x plus y equals to 1 upon 5 and 1 upon x minus y equals to 1. Now here this equation continues, cross multiplies, so we get x plus y equals to 5 and here we get x minus y equals to 1. So here I think that we had named it as 5th and 6th. So this is going to be the 7th and the 8th one. Now adding these two, that is adding equations 7 and 8. So what we get here by adding plus y minus y cancels. 1x plus 1x, that is 2x equals to 5 plus 1 is 6. So the value of x will be 6 upon 2. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So the value of x is 3. Substitute x equals to 3 in equation 7. The 7th one is x plus y equals to 5. So we get 3 plus y equals to 5. So the value of y will be 5 plus 3 when it goes on the other side, minus 3. So the value of y is 2. So what is the solution for the given equation? The value of xy is 3, 2. Let's start with the third question. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 equals to 85. And the next one is 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 equals to 89. Again, we'll separate the coefficients with the variable. So this becomes 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 equals to 85 will be the first equation, and the next one will be 31 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 into 1 upon y plus 3 equals to 89 will be the second. Let's convert it into linear. So let 1 upon x minus 2 equals to a and 1 upon y plus 3 equals to b. So the first equation becomes 27a plus 31b equals to 85. So we'll name it third. And the second one becomes 31a plus 27b equals to 89 will be the fourth. Now again, just observe these two equations. Similar type of equation, we have done it in the previous exercise. So here we find again the coefficients of the first and the second, that is the third and the fourth equations are interchanged of a and that of b. That is what is the coefficient of a in the third is the coefficient of b in the fourth. Similarly for b, that is the coefficient of b in the third equation is the coefficient of a in the fourth. So here, in such cases, what we do, we add and we subtract. So adding equations 3 and 4. So here we get 7 plus 1 is 8 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So we get 58a plus 31 plus 27 again 58b equals to 9 plus 5 is 14, 8 2 is 16 and 1 that is 174. Now to make it simpler, we divide the equation by 58. So divide the equation by 58. So we get A plus B equals to 3. So this is going to be the fifth. We added and we got an equation. Now we subtract and we get the another one. So we write these third and fourth again, that is 27A plus 31B equals to 85. And 31A plus 27B equals to 89. Now we subtract. That is, we subtract the lower from the upper. Subtract equation 4 from third. That is, we change the sign. Plus is minus, and plus is minus. So 27 minus 31 plus minus 31 minus 27, that is 4, and bigger number sign minus 4A. Now again plus minus 31 minus 27 is 4, and bigger number sign is plus. So we get 4B equals to plus minus 89 minus 85 is 4, and bigger number sign is minus. Now divide the equation by 4. Why we are dividing by 4? To make this equation simpler. So we get minus A plus B equals to minus 1. So this becomes the 6th. Now by adding we got the 5th equation. By subtracting we got the 6th. Now we'll take the 5th and the 6th together. Now if you observe, the coefficients of A are same and with opposite sign, plus 1 and minus 1. No number means it's understood, it's 1. So plus A minus A cancels. Here it is 1 and 1, that is plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 2, bigger number sign plus. So 2B equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. So the value of B will be 2 upon 2, 2 ones are, so B is 1. Now substitute B equals to 1 in equation 5th. Because I think 5th one is the simplest one at present here. So we get A plus B equals to 3. So we get A plus 1 equals to 3. So A will be 3 minus 1. So the value of A is 2. So here we got the value of A and B. A is 2 and B is 1. Now we'll resubstitute the values of A and B. So resubstitute A equals to 1 upon x minus 2 and B equals to 1 upon y plus 3. So what we get here? The value of A is 2. So we get 1 upon x minus 2 equals to 2 and 1 upon y plus 3 equals to 1. Now cross multiply, so we get 2 into x minus 2 equals to 1, 2x minus 4 equals to 1, so we get 2x equals to 1 plus 4, so we get 2x equals to 5, so x will be 5 upon 2. Now we'll calculate y, and so cross multiply, so we get y plus 3 equals to 1. So y will be 1 minus 3. Plus 3 when it goes on the other side, it's going to be minus 3. So the value of y will be plus minus. 3 minus 1 is 2 and bigger number sign is minus. So here the solution for this problem is, that is x, y equals to 5 upon 2 and minus 2. Now we start with the fourth problem. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 3 upon 4, and 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y equals to minus 1 upon 8. Again, as we have done it in the previous one, we'll separate the coefficients with the variable. There's no coefficient, means it's 1. So 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 3 upon 4 will be the first, and the second equation will be 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3x minus y equals to minus 1 upon 8. Now we'll substitute 1 upon 3x plus y as one variable and 1 upon 3x minus y as another one, as we have done it in the previous problem. So let 1 upon 3x plus y equals to a and 1 upon 3x minus y equals to b. So the first equation becomes a plus b equals to 3 upon 4. And the second one becomes 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 2b equals to minus 1 upon 8. Now here if you observe, here we are getting the numbers on the right side in fraction, and so also here in the fourth equation. So what we'll do is we'll multiply the equation by the LCM so that we convert it into a whole number. So the third one will multiply equation third (3 by 4), and here 2, 2 and 8. So the LCM is going to be 8. So multiply the fourth one by 8 and multiply equation 4 by 8. Why we are multiplying it by 4 and 8? So that we can convert the fraction into a whole number and make the equation simpler. So 4 into a is 4a plus 4 into b is 4b equals to 3 upon 4 into 4. 4 get cancelled equals to 3. This will be the first one. And here 1 upon 2 into 8. That is 2 4s are. So we get 4a minus 1 upon 2 into 8. 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So minus 4b equals to minus 1 upon 8 into 8. 8 get cancelled and we get minus 1. So we get the sixth. Now observe the fifth and the sixth equation. In these two equations we find that the coefficients of b are same and with opposite signs. So we can add. Why we are going to add? So that will be eliminated. So adding equation 5 and 6. So here plus 4b minus 4b cancels. 4 plus 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 plus. 4 plus 4 is 8a equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. So what will be the value of a? Value of a will be 2 upon 8. A is multiplied by 8. So 8 when it goes on the other side it will be divided by. So 2 1s are, 2 4s are. The value of a is 1 upon 4. Substitute a equals to 1 upon 4 in equation. Now for this, which one is going to be the simpler one here? We'll take this equation fifth. So we get 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 4b equals to 3. 4 1s are, 4 1s are. So here we get 1 plus 4b equals to 3. So 4b will be 3 minus 1. So 4b equals to 2. So the value of b will be 2 upon 4. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So the value of b is 1 upon 2. Now we got the value of a, we got the value of b. We have to resubstitute the value of a and b. Now resubstitute the values of A and B. So resubstitute A equals to 1 upon 3x plus y and B equals to 1 upon 3x minus y. So we get 1 upon 3x plus y equals to 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 1 upon 2. So cross multiply and we get 3x plus y equals to 4, 3x minus y equals to 2. So here this becomes the 7th and the 8th equation. Now here if you observe, the coefficients of y are same and with opposite signs. So adding equations 7 and 8. So plus y and minus y cancels. So 3x plus 3x plus 3x is 6x equals to 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is multiplied by, x is multiplied by 6. So here it's going to be this 6 as it is. And this 6 when it comes here divided by 6 ones are, 6 ones are. So the value of x is 1. Substitute x equals to 1 in equation 7. So this is 3x plus y equals to 4. So this is 3 into 1 plus y equals to 4. So here this becomes 3 plus y equals to 4. So the value of y will be 4 minus 3. So y is 1. So we got the value of x. We got the value of y. So the solution of this equation is xy equals to 1, 4.